fun of me? Are you trying to say my family's poor?
Oh, jeez, Frank. I don't know if a knife is necessary. I mean, you know, you kind of had things handled without
You're
it.
telling me how to bully now? Big mistake, Morty.
Sure, Barry.
Definitely sure.
Okay then, you're all gonna get cut. Ah, my hip hop hooray arm!
Jane? You getting a tampon?
Prison. Guess you make it.
Looks like you're wrong, Teach. Cause I'm gonna kill him.
And that's why you go to prison.
Oh! You're dead, Teach!
Damn it, there's no way across.
A pink sentient switchblade.
Hi, Beth. You